In front of me is Realme Narzo N61 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then select close in a no location access pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, location is off. To turn it back on, hit the same shortcut. You can also go into settings, scroll down to click on location section and use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!